Nobody's ever done
What
this.
do I get for 10,000 views?
Whatever I get, you get. So, you know what I mean? I don't get nothing yet, but as soon as I get it,
They already got a video on this though, right?
that one I just showed you, that's it. And that was like a short. It's like 2 seconds.
Yeah. Well, maybe we should put like some foam down.
You're the boss. I'm just the cameraman. I'm a cameraman right now. You hired me.
Yeah, you should. Maybe you should do that. Maybe you should get into Hollywood for cameraman.
I'm gonna tell Steve. Steve, you gotta hire me to record everything that goes on in the shop.
Right.
I'll do an Instagram page for you. Promote the whole business. It'll be double the work already. It's already double the work. It'll be triple.
Yeah, we'll try. What are we saving here?
Huh?
What are we saving? The whole thing you need?
Yeah.
Oh, so you need to try to
gotta
save the
separate
whole wing just to take this part off.
Yeah, to bolt it onto the new vehicle.